Hey everyone, we got a snowstorm.
Yeah.
That's all. I'm sure you can recognize her. And that's Jacob. Hi.
Yeah, my socks are already wet.
That was quick. All right, guys, let's go and explore.
Let's go there. Where's the next time?
What do you have?
A snowball.
A snowball. All right, throw it at me. Ah, great job. Whoa, guys, what is happening here? Some serious windage. Hey guys, where are our friends? Look over here. Guys, hi. Baron, thank you so much, buddy. Thank you. Oh, oh, dude, is this a lot of snow? What? Yeah, man. Oh, run to me. Go, run. Brooklyn snowstorm. Almost nobody on the streets except us. Come on, teammates, let's do this. Alright, your ride is here. Get on. You're responsible for the shop. Jacob, don't drag us. Hands up, hands up. Look at him. Whoa, guys, we found that car. Did you see it? We have to unbury this. Wow. Alright guys, we have a job to do. Alright, you gonna help me, Ola? Alright, let's do it. Jacob, you have fun, okay? Alright, let's do this. Hi everyone, we finished unburying our car. Look, it's all out of snow. And now we go back home. Ola, can you hold the camera? Hands inside the ride at all times. Here we go. Hold on. Alright, Ola's a little cold. I think everybody needs a little nappy nap. So cool. Alright. See you guys next time. Where? At where to? See you later.